Hello everybody, I am Aparna Anna Prakada, a final year student at Mallareddy University from the Department of Data Science. Firstly, I would like to extend my gratitude towards our chairman, C.H. Mallareddy sir, and our vice chancellor, Dr. V.S.K. Reddy sir, for helping us with excellent training and placement opportunities and helping me secure a placement at HCL Tech. Now, coming to my experience at Mallareddy University, the first thing that stood out to me when I entered was the campus infrastructure. The classrooms here are spacious and well equipped with the modern learning tools and techniques that help us learn in an interactive and engaging manner. Another major highlight of the campus are the laboratories. They are well equipped, well maintained and advanced and help us get the hands-on experience that we require to understand the daily concepts clearly and deeply. The library here at Mallareddy University is also a major resource and has a wide range of books, novels, journals and a lot of online materials that help us and supported us throughout our academic journey. Apart from academics, the life at Mallareddy University is very energetic and very vibrant. We have excellent sports facilities, cultural events and also many other activities that help us academics and our personal interests at the same time. Overall, the environment and the campus infrastructure at Mallareddy University has helped us lay a strong foundation for our success and I am ever grateful for that.